Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off screensaver on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Screensavers are animation or videos that appears on your computer when it's idle. They can vary from random image to custom text, even a simple clock. On my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on screensaver on your MacBook. So now, what if you want to turn this off? It's so simple. So first, all you need to do, you can just go to your settings on MacBook or system preferences on your MacBook. Here, you can just click on your system preferences. There is an option desktop and screensaver. You can just click on that. There is an option like desktop and screensaver because you want to turn off the screensaver. Of course, you can click on screensaver. To turn this off, it's so simple. You can just tap on the checklist icon on here on the show screensaver after. So here. So now, MacBook will not show the screensaver on your MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off screensaver on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!